Welcome to Math Lab. Today you're on your journey to discover fractions. Fractions are a part of a whole. Suppose I have one cookie and I divide it into 6 parts. Then how many parts make this whole cookie? Is it not 6 parts make this a whole cookie? Now suppose if I eat one part of this cookie, right here I am going to shade the part that I have eaten. Then can you tell the fraction of the cookie I ate? To find the fraction, count the number of shaded parts to the total number of parts the cookie has. So the fraction of the cookie I ate is 1 out of 6. That is, I ate one part which has been shaded green out of a total of 6 parts the cookie has. Let us now consider this rectangle. It has been divided into 4 parts. If 3 parts of the rectangle are shaded, can you identify the fraction shaded? Is it not the number of parts shaded to the total number of parts? So, my fraction is 3 by 4, which is also known as 3/4. Let us consider this semicircle. It has 5 parts. Now, if I shade all the 5 parts, what does it represent? Right here, our semicircle with 5 parts has all its parts shaded. It represents 5 out of 5 parts, that is 5 by 5, which is nothing but 1. So when the entire shape is shaded, it represents one whole. Let us consider this shape. I have 2 squares. Each square is divided into 8 parts. Now, if I shade one whole square and 2 parts of another square, what does it represent? Can you identify the fraction shaded? Is it not 1 whole and 2 out of 8 parts? Now 2 out of 8 is nothing but 1 out of 4. So right here you can see I can also consider every 2 parts of this square as one part. So 2 out of 8 is nothing but 1 out of 4, which is known as 1/4. So the fraction shaded is 1 by 4 or 1/4. Today you are provided with a lab observation sheet which has many pictures. If you look carefully at your lab observation sheet, you will find that each picture is divided into a number of parts. Also, some of the parts are shaded. By observing the number of shaded parts to the total number of parts, you can identify the fraction shaded. Also, if the fraction has been given, you can shade the picture to represent the given fraction. You are just about to discover fractions are a part of a whole. Have fun!